Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I think it's time I finally posted my look of Gigi Hadid's Met Gala look because I saw this and I was so inspired that I had to recreate it. So if you want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So first I'm starting off with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and I'm taking the shade Tempera to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. Next, I'm going in with the shade Burnt Orange and I'm just applying it as a transition shade kind of in my crease and a little bit above it as well. Next, I'm going in with the shade Sienna, which is kind of a darker, more warm brown, and I'm just applying that in my crease and focusing it on the outer corner as well. And I'm keeping it mainly in the crease and trying to prevent it from coming down onto the eyelid. Next, I'm switching over to the Huda Beauty palette and I'm taking that beautiful purple shade called Amethyst and I'm applying it to the inner and outer corners of my eye to create that halo eye that Gigi had. And I'm also just blending the purple over the top so everything's seamless and creating and deepening that outer V. And I noticed for Gigi's look, hers wasn't so smoked out and just went really far in a cat eye shape. It was mainly focused really close towards the eye. So that's exactly what I'm doing and I'm just applying that purple shade on my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going back to the Soft Glam palette and I'm taking the shade Glistening and applying it to that empty middle spot of our halo eye. And I noticed the shade was a little bit dark, so I went back in with the shade Fairy, which is a lighter, more kind of shimmery color, and just applied that over the top. Now I'm just blending everything out so we have a nice smoky, seamless, and hazy finish, which is exactly what Gigi had. Yeah, so guys, let me know what your favorite look was from the Met Gala. I'm really interested to see. Mine was Gigi's. But anyways, I'm taking the shade Angelic from the Huda Beauty palette and just applying that pink color to my inner corners. Next, I'm taking the Urban Decay Glitter Eyeliner in Glam Rock and just creating that glitter eyeliner that she had that went in kind of like a triangle shape. And it looked absolutely gorgeous on her. So I'm just creating it on the middle of both of my halo eyes. And guys, I would totally rock this look out like every day. It's extra AF, but I totally would you? And then I'm also creating that triangle point on my lower lash line as well by making it a bit smaller than the top. Next, I'm just applying a light coat of mascara because Gigi didn't seem like she was wearing anything too crazy. So I'm just using these eyelashes, which are kind of more on the natural side. And now I'm using the Benefit Brow Bow Conditioning Primer just to kind of create a more bushy eyebrow because I'm definitely lacking in that department. Next, I'm taking Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3 and I'm just filling in my eyebrows to get that Gigi Hadid look because her eyebrows are just naturally gorgeous. And I'm just kind of using light small strokes to create brow-like hairs. Next, I'm going in with the Gimme Brow again in the shade 3 and I'm just setting everything. Now I'm just lining my lips using one of Huda Beauty's lip liners. I believe this one is the more brown toned one, just to create some extra definition. But I'm not overlining too much because I didn't see that Gigi's were overlined that much. Next, I'm going in with the shade from MAC called Kinda Sexy and just applying it all over my lips. And I noticed this shade was a little bit too peachy and too pink, so I'm just going in with a lighter pink called Blankety from MAC as well, and just applying it all over the lips. And next I'm taking Becca's, I think it's one of their shimmering lip glosses, and this is the purple dual chrome one, and I'm just applying it to the center of my lips to help create more light and definition. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me. And if you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!